What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of 360 Speed. I hope the lockdown has been treating you well. I hope that you are still staying fit and feeling good. And today we have some exciting news on Frosty. As you can see behind me, Frosty is there. And in the background, sorry, let me just focus. In the background, finally, you guys are able to meet Asad. He's the one that did my auto headlight switch. Sorry, I'm just trying to get this thing to focus. Okay, so he's the one that helped me with my auto headlight switch, and he did the fog lights and stuff. And today we are going to do the headlights. Finally, we are going to do a xenon conversion kit. Proper xenons, proper lighting for my car, because at night, like he said, the Rama yellow headlights is just not going to cut it. And then guys, I need to ask you something. Would you like to see more of this car and that car? Now, if you're wondering which cars these are, B-roll.
Autonomy is an illusion. Autonomy is an illusion.
So guys, if you would like to see those two cars get more exposure and more time, then please drop it in the comments down below. But guys, if you are new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're already subscribed, well, you're awesome. Smash the like button. So let's get to doing the headlights. Just a quick thing, guys, what do you think of my new mask? 3, 2, 1, boom. So 360 logo, and subscribe to my 360 Speed channel. What do you guys think of the new mask? I also have an inverse in white and black. So guys, is this something that you would like to see in the future for merch, like this design? Would you like a mask or anything like that? Let me know. So as you guys know, this is going to be a preview of what the lights, well, this is what the lights looks like now before we do the upgrade. Like nice Rama yellowy goodness. That's ugly.
Autonomy is an illusion.
So guys, I'm going to introduce you to Asad. This is Asad,
Hey,
and
how's it going, guys?
he's the one that's going to do the install. Not that I can't do it myself, I just prefer somebody that knows what they're doing properly, because I've never installed xenons, and as you can see, I did a proper job with my xenons on the fog lights, so rather give it to him again. So I have a question for you, Asad. Why would you rather prefer people install xenons on a Polo or Polo Vivo like mine as compared to the LEDs?
Well, on the Xenon side of it, the visibility is much better. Firstly, a lot of people don't like putting Xenons because of the wiring and all of those things, but it's more OEM. If you've ever seen a projector, you'd know what's behind it, and that's just a normal Xenon bulb. So you're getting much more from a Xenon kit, and I prefer them on the Polos because the lights are made so perfect that it just shines beautifully. You'll see in a couple of minutes.
Well, there you have it. So don't put LEDs, because you're going to distract other drivers on the road, and they might possibly bright you, and then you're going to get irritated and bright them back. Don't start that battle. Just do it right from the start, and then you're good to go.
And remember, guys, always focus your lights. Never judge the lights by what you're fitting, because a lot of people have the misconception of Xenons hurting the oncoming vehicles lights, their vision. But like, always make sure that whoever installs it for you, or if you install it yourself, adjust the lights so that it shines properly on the road. And yeah, go check our page for all the stuff that we do, so you'd have a better understanding of what you'd want to do on your vehicle.
Okay, well, if you want to know who they are, I have mentioned them previously in my videos. You can just go to their Facebook page called VAC Automotive, or give them a shout. It's right here. Good. Now get those phones ringing. These are the OEM ones. You can see they have a little blue coating. You have the night breakers that is blue coated up to the tip, but they aren't like these ones that are very nice. Let me just zoom in for you guys.
Let me remove the covers. You'll see it better.
See the goodness. So guys, Asad actually brought up a very good point. You don't have to worry touching the tips because it's in an enclosed casing, so you won't have to worry about getting finger marks on there, because everybody knows that if you get a finger mark on there, it's bye-bye life.
Usually the oils that are on our skin is what actually shortens the life on your normal halogen bulbs. But because the xenon bulb, I don't know if it's focused, but yeah, the xenon bulbs it's all in a capsule, so even if you touch it, it doesn't shorten the lifespan of the bulb itself. So don't stress, guys, just take it easy, or you could just come to us and we could sort it out for you.
And this blinding flash of memories played before my eyes, and all I saw was you. Hey. And all I saw was you.
Okay guys, so we are completely done with everything. I'm quickly going to show you what it looks like. The wiring and everything is done. It looks a lot neater. Well, it doesn't look like it's done poorly. And that's the effect that we're going for, trying to keep it looking as OEM as possible. So I'm going to take you on a journey with me. No, I'm just going to show you, and then I'm going to put it on and then you can tell me what you think. Nice and neat, and the same goes for that side. That's where the ballast is, and everything is still accessible right where you need it, and down there as well, there that is. So yeah, let me switch it on quickly. Looking good like it should. We have the bottoms as well. Now that looks absolutely awesome. Proper job. We're gonna test the lighting in the evening, see how good it shines. But you see also it has a natural cutoff line, a prominent line, so it's not, oh there we go. Now you can see it's not going to blind people oncoming traffic. I mean, this is respectively the height that other cars are traveling at, and this is where it's only shining, so you can see it's not going to bother people. So that's a job definitely well done. Okay guys, so Asad has something that he wants to say.
Okay guys, so since I wasn't on you guys' journey, if ever you need lighting or any of the stuff that we can offer at VAC Automotive, be sure to pop by and we'll give you the best professional service that we can. Cheers, take it easy guys.
Definitely remember, call him, link in the description, number in the description, and follow them on Facebook, please. And if you want to follow him on Instagram, please remember it will also be down here as well as in the description down below. But guys, that's it for now. This is another look at the car, just so you can see. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and if you're new here, like I said, please consider subscribing. If you're already subscribed, thank you, you are awesome.
360 speed by JFD.
And please guys, remember to buckle up, keep it safe on the roads, and I will see you next time. Cheers.